Hi guys, so let's do a week in my life as a content creator and a social media manager. Shall we?
Guys, don't let anybody lie to you. Working as a full-time content creator and a social media manager is a lot of work. I'm not even going to lie to you, but it's also one of the most interesting things to do in your life if you get the hang of it. And this video is not to explain how I do it, but it's just to show you sometimes what I do in my life. I've had access to work with amazing people, A-list artists, celebrities, and a lot of people. All you have to do is know your onions and you know how to do your thing. Let me just leave you guys to enjoy this video. I don't have much to say, just to say this thing I'm saying. Enjoy the video. Mwah.